Yo, what's up guys, I'm Christopher Corinthian. Today I'm gonna be showing you guys how much I earned on YouTube. So first, this is my channel. As you can see, I posted different types of video. I have musics, I have like ASMR, rain sound, and my DJ set, and I have like flash challenge, which is like a dance move I did in public, and reaction video as well. I have a lot of different types of videos right here, and if you can see my shorts, I also have reaction shorts, different like food short and some other toy short right here, and my birds, you know. And yeah, again, you can see this is my video, and I have different types of videos, guys. I don't have a specific niche, but what I can say, it's more to like music and vlogs. And yeah, so I'm going to be showing you guys about my earning. Okay, so I only have 5,608 subscribers so far, and let's see how much do I earn. Let's go to analytics, and we can see estimated revenue right here. So this is for the last 28 days. Let's click here and click lifetime. So I only earned 270 USD, guys, and in my whole YouTube journey, okay, since I started this video and I got monetized, and I only earned like 270.17 cents USD. Okay, and if I click here, you can see how it goes, how it grows also. Okay, I can show you right now for the earnings for each video. And for example, I have this Chocobo Racing World Cup January to February, and I got like 2 USD 0.86, and you can see this video I got like 2.72 USD. Actually, the data isn't available from before May 19, 2022. I don't know why. I have like a video which I can show you. Alright, it's this one, reacting to K-Click Guitar Move, and I got like 24 USD 0.04 for this video, okay, since it was published. Now I'm gonna be showing you guys the CPM and RPM for the video. For example, for this video, if you can see, I got like 0.47 USD for the RPM, and for the CPM I got like 1.88 USD, which is kind of low. So actually RPM is how much we earn per 1,000 views. For 1,000 views, I can earn like 0.47 USD. CPM is how much advertisers pay for your video for every 1K views. So I got like 1.88 USD. So if you really want to start a YouTube channel and to make a living out of YouTube, you must think more than 3 times, because it's really hard for me and it's not easy. You have to focus, you just have to grind every single day, and you have to find your niche. You have to spend a lot of times in editing, in brainstorming. But I'm not discouraging you not to do YouTube, okay? YouTube is a platform for everyone. It can literally be your business. And make sure to comment down below if you have any questions, or you need any help with YouTube monetization, or any tutorials, or you want more in-depth analytics of my YouTube channel. You can always comment down below. As always, see you in my next video. Peace out.
我不知道，财神到，新年快乐！我不知道，突然间财神到，新年快乐！我不知道，财神到，新年快乐！我不知道，突然间。